Vivekananda Institute. I am Ajay sir. Now we are starting pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. This part have the three parts: substitutions, equations, and substitutions, eliminations, and multiplications. That's parts: substitutions, eliminations, and third of the multiplication. First for we today starting the substitutions. सब्स्टिट्यूशंस मेथड से पहले हमें थ्री चीजें जाननी चाहिए. फर्स्ट फॉल्स व्हाट इज द वन आंसर्स, मल्टी आंसर्स एंड नो आंसर्स. फर्स्ट फॉल्स, first for all have now three tests: intersecting lines, coincident, and parallel line. What is this? First, intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting means they have the two lines in the cut. That means one line in the graphical have and two lines. This point is called one answer. How many answer? One solutions. This formula A1 by A2 not equal B1 by B2 not equal C1 by C2. Intersecting have the one point have cut. Okay. This answer is the one solution. A1 by A2 not equal B1 by B2 not equal C1 by C2. Second have the coincident lines. That means one line have is gone second line. Okay, one line crossing second line. That means answer is many solutions. How many solutions, students? Many solutions. This formula have a A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2. A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Third false, parallel line. Parallel lines. Parallel line is two lines have the similars. Two lines have similars. Okay. No solution. Why no solution? Two lines have no cut any places, so that this answer is a no solution. This formula A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 and not equal C1 by C2. Okay. इसे आप लोग जरूर करके फोटोज ले सकते हैं. That is the intersecting. These are one solutions and coincident many solutions and parallel have a no solution. Okay students. अभी continue substitutions method. इसके बाद हम चलते हैं substitution method. इससे आपके exercise 3.2 have doing this formula. तो आज हम लोग 3.2 exercise की बात नहीं करने जा रहे हैं. 3.3. Some questions. 3.3. 3.3 have a question. Solve the following the pair in linear equations by the substitutions method. Okay. Okay. It is the board. Substitutions method. Substitution method. Okay. This question have two equations. X plus y. What is the given? X plus y equal to 40. This is the equation 1. Okay, students? And second have x minus y is equal to 4. Right? Am I right? Question आपको मिला है that's x plus y is equal to 40 and x minus y is equal to 40. Am I right? The second have a 4. Okay. Now we start the substitution method. First of all, first step in doing equation 1, x plus y is equal to 40, and then we have used the u change in the y value. Y value is y is equal to 14 minus x. Okay, this is equation 3. First for you equation 1 have a use, and second for y value is y is equal to 14 minus x. Understand? हमने y का वैल्यू अलग किया, x लेफ्ट टू राइट, चलिए लेफ्ट से राइट जा रहा है तो प्लस राइट साइड जाएंगे तो क्या बनेगा माइनस. ओके, नाउ अब वैल्यू ऑफ y पुट इन इक्वेशन 2. अब हमने जो y का वैल्यू आया है हम इसे कहां पुट करेंगे, इक्वेशन 2 में. वैल्यू ऑफ y पुट इन equations 2. Okay students, equation 2 is what? X minus y is equal to 4. This is the equation 2. Now we put in these answers implies, ये सिंबल हमें से लगता है बल्कि बाद अगर आप ये शो कर रहे हैं that is the implies number. Okay, y value is 14 minus x, so minus bracket have a 14 minus x is equal to 4. Okay, put the answers. The bracket means multiplication, implies x minus have a change in minus plus minus 14, minus minus plus. Okay, is equal to 4. Now x and x, आप लोग हमेशा याद रखिए कि हमेशा किसी भी x y z में 1 डिजिट पावर आता 1. That means 1x and 1x is equal to 2x. Okay, is equal to minus of the change on right side plus 4 plus 14. Okay, and now इसलिए x is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18 by 2. Cut. This answer is x is equal to 9. x का वैल्यू कितना आ गया 9. Now x value put in equation 1. अब हमें क्या करना है, पुट इन वैल्यू ऑफ इक्वेशन 3. अब मैं डायरेक्ट x का वैल्यू पुट करने जा रहा हूं इक्वेशन 3 में. दैट गिव अस आंसर्स. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ x पुट इन इक्वेशन, व्हाट इज दिस 3. इक्वेशन 3 इज व्हाट, y is equal to 14 minus x. y is equal to 14 minus x. Okay, and they have a 14 minus x value is what, 9. 14 have a defect of 9. What is this, 5. Now answer is what is this, x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. They have a answer. Okay, I repeat these questions again. Attention to all students please. This is a substitution method. First equation is x plus y is equal to 14, equation 1, and second x minus y is equal to 4, equation 2. We starting give the equation 1. Equation 1 have a x plus y is equal to 14, and we find y is equal to 14 minus x. This is the equation 3. Okay, and now value of y put in equation 2. अब हम लोगों ने जो वैल्यूज निकला उसको कहां रखना, इक्वेशन 2 में, यानी x minus y is equal to 4. x minus y is equal to 4. x minus this value, y value is what, 40 minus x. Bracket means multiply. Minus plus minus, minus minus plus is equal to 4. They have a plus x and plus x. Plus plus plus. That means 2x. Minus x change in right side. That means plus 14. Plus 4 plus 14 is equal to 18 by, this have the multiplication change in divided, and 2 9s are 18. X value of the 9. Okay, next of the value of x put in equation 3rd. Put of x equations 3rd. Y is equal to, third is the y is equal to 14 minus x. 14 minus x value is what, 9. 14 minus 9, they have get answer 5. That means x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. This is the answer. Okay, this is complete. Okay, dear student, this time our complete substitution method, and we next method start elimination method. So please, if you like this this classes. So please like and share. Thank you.